Hey, it's an unboxing video. Let's unbox it. I smell China. I do smell a little rubber. So I've smelled worse things coming from China, like some chairs I have for benches, and so it's just a regular made from China rubber smell. Nothing great right now. Let me open it and find out. Here we go. Ta-da! Wow. Pretty nice. No film on it. No grease. Wax. Smell. You put your nose up to it, it smells like rubber. But like I said, it's I've smelled worse rubber smell on other things I buy from China, so this is about on par. Second plate, pretty nice. No oil or wax. The smell is minimal. I asked my son, who has a better sniffer, if it's really bad, and he said no. But you can't smell it. Now that I have two of them open, there's one on. Here's this one. And I believe this is a label for manufacturing date or something. Anyway, I got these because I don't have any 45-pound plates, and instead of getting metal iron, I decided to get bumpers, so eventually I can do deadlifts. There's the power rack. All right, here we go. Putting it on the bar now. It's a Rogue Echo, and slides real nice. Slides a lot better than those iron ones. Those kind of ratchet every time I put on the iron ones. So it's real smooth going on and probably coming off too. So this is has some ridges on it. So, but it slides real nice.